And here is our chicken rendang, chicken buttered curry, and chicken masak lemak. Nice. With rice and the sauce. Wow, champion. Champion to. Good, very good. Tignan natin kung ano yung mga food packs na meron dito sa Muji. And then we'll see if we'll try it kung masarap ba. Okay? Here, tignan natin yung mga different na mga sauces. Chicken rendang, buttered chicken curry, and Malaysian chicken curry, and daming sauces. Siguro what I'll do, I'll prepare chicken. Pero susutay ko lang yung chicken with garlic and onions. Isasali natin ito. And then we'll try them. We'll rate them kung talagang masarap pa ito. And then we'll let you know. Diba? Hello, I'm Richard Gomez and welcome to Goma At Home. Today, what I did was I went to a Japanese retail shop when I was in Manila. And then I saw some chicken curry, chicken masak lemak, chicken rendang. So I was thinking what we'll do today, I'm going to present this to you. And then we'll try it out kung talagang masarap ba. And what we'll do with the chicken, we'll just fry this and then put some onions, a little garlic, a little of capsicum. And then, mamaya, once luto na sila, ilalagay natin sa mga sauce. And then, we're going to try it out. Okay? So, what we'll do is, we'll begin with seasoning our chicken. I'll cook our chicken first. I'll season it with salt and pepper. There you go. Okay. Off yung hangin. Okay. There you go. So let's season it well. And then we'll put olive oil. Okay. So this is where we're going to fry our chicken. Good. A little more. Let's fry chicken. Skin side first. Nice. There you go. Result. Wash my hand. And then we'll begin with cutting our onions. Alright. Good. On the side, put in some garlic. Okay. Once it's brown on skin side, iikutan natin siya. Siguro pagkatapos ng garlic ito, medyo brown na yan. You notice pag natatanggal ka ng skin ng garlic, medyo malagkit. Malagkit sa kamay. Okay, almost done. So at this point, we'll add some onions and garlic. Yeah, we'll do this while we're cooking that. No problem. Okay. Big piece of garlic. We'll go to our chicken. Yun lang. Okay. And then dito, i-add natin yung capsicum natin. Check ang chicken. Brown na siya. Maganda na. Medyo brown na siya. Okay. As we're cooking the chicken, flavor dyan yung onions, yung garlic, no? Tapos capsicum. Good eh. Okay? Then just drop it there. And let it cook with the chicken. Remember, we're just frying this. Sabi ng staff kanina, ba't di mo lagyan ng gata? Wag. Kasi mag-alter yung, mag-iiba yung flavor pag nilagyan natin ng gata. Anyways, this ones, tinarin ko ano yung ingredients niya. Oh, may coconut milk na siya eh. May ginger na, may lemongrass, yeah. May curry powder siya, turmeric, yep. So there's no need to add anything else. We'll just season our chicken and put some onions para may konting texture siya. But some kasi meron, you can feel it here. I bought this in Muji. It's a Japanese retail store. May feel mo meron siguro this either potato or carrots. Itong butter chicken is very popular in Indian restaurants, no? Ito Indonesian or Malaysian. That chicken rendang. Let's see, it's cooked on that side. Okay, good. Turn it again and cook it further. I'll try to cook both sides twice. There, nice. Yeah. So what we want is, we want to cook the chicken well. Para pagdating dito, it's just basically heating the chicken up in the chicken sauce, okay? So give it another 5 minutes on each side, then should be good. For all these three, we'll cook them in separate pans, no? Para hindi maghalo-halo yung taste niya. Okay. Put this on the side. Tsaka muna. You turn this off. You're good. Okay. We'll get our pans ready. This one here. So what we'll do is we'll cook the chicken rendang and the butter chicken curry first. Bango. Wow. Ang bango. You can smell kefir. You can smell lemongrass. The coconut. Ang bango. Sarap. Ito mo good for 1 or 2 servings lang talaga ito. Oh, may chicken na siya sa loob. It's my first time to open it eh. But I'll put more chicken here para malasa talaga yung chicken. Gusto ko malaking piece of chicken eh, kasi malito na nakalagay dito eh. I'll put it there. Tapos lagyan natin ng konti ng yung condiments na ginawa natin dito kanina. Yan o. Put it there. Then we let it boil sabay-sabay. We'll let it simmer. Tapos yung isa naman to, butter chicken curry. Let's see. Okay, ito natin. Oh! Smell it. Sarap din. Sarap na smell. Well, kasi nga butter. Medyo buttery nga yung smell. Okay. As you can see, it's good for just 1 serving. Oh. Okay. Butter chicken curry. Chicken rendang. And then, we'll turn it on. And then we'll let it boil. There you go. It's a chicken. Some of the ingredients na niluto natin kanina. Put it here also. Okay. And we'll save this for the third variety. Okay. So we'll let it cook. Yan lang siyang kumulo. Tapos yung third, dito natin lalagay. Okay, I'll prepare it already. Ito naman yung Chicken Masak Lemak. Okay. I'll put this here. Oh, medyo light ang color niya. So I'll put this in. Yeah. This one here. May mga ingredients kaya nandito. Nice. Try this one. Ito yung chicken rendang. Good. Sarap ah. This one is the butter chicken curry. Okay. But surprisingly, hindi siya ganun ka-spicy. I was expecting na it will be spicier. No? Okay. This cooked. We'll cook the third one. The third one natin yung Chicken Masak Lemak. Same as what we did dun sa dalawa. Ayan. Try this. Light nga, hindi siya hindi siya spicy. Then, chicken. Putting everything para makita nyo gano'ng karami yung sauce na kasama nyo dun sa sa packet. Next plate, tignan, sa ating sauce. Ito naman, medyo may peanut taste siya. Okay. The next is chicken rendang. Using different spoon. Yung sauce niya. Medyo oily ito. Like we did sa una. Put we'll cover half of the rice with sauce. There, para isa yung tsura niya. Then the lightest of them, very light yung color niya. Is the Chicken Masak Lemak. Okay, again, 2 pieces of chicken. And then yung sauce niya. Tigyan natin lahat dito. Kasi magsama rin yung chicken, no? Put everything there. And here is our chicken rendang, chicken butter curry, and chicken masak lemak. We'll try this. First, itong chicken rendang. Chicken rendang is simply means to stir fry, no? Stir fry. So, the chicken, good, very light. Actually, may touch of peanuts. May peanuts ba to? Tamarind puree. That's the one. And galangal. Okay. Well, may taste inside. It's not peanuts. It's the taste of the coconut. No? Pag matagal mo niluto, maganda. Tapos medyo na toast ng konti yung coconut milk. And then the chicken that goes with it, also good. Wait. Yeah. But I think it's better if you put in your own chicken. Nice. Nice and good. Very light, not spicy. Very aromatic. Next we'll try the chicken butter curry. The clean palette. Wash it out. Wash it down with coconut water. Okay, we'll try with rice and the sauce. So you can see na red siya, medyo may tomato sauce to. It's a bit salty. Yeah, but it's good. You ask me if it is good, it is good. And then we'll try with our So talaga pag bagong luto yung chicken, now we'll try yung chicken in their pocket. Definitely there's a big difference between the freshly cooked chicken and the chicken inside the packet. No? It's a bit, it's not very soft. But alam mo na, na-absorb niya lahat ng flavors ng, ng buttered chicken. It's a bit on the sweet side. I was expecting na maging spicy, but it's not spicy. Para di maghalo yung taste. Okay. We'll try this. So also have a clean palate. We'll try the sauce and rice. Yan. Siyempre, alam niyo yung mga curry, rendang. These are basically parang ano eh. Yan, these are Indonesian, Malaysian dishes. Pero may similarity sa mga Pinoy dish kaya malakas sa kanin. Yeah. Good. Parang ito yung pinakagusto ko sa tatlo. What is this? The Chicken Masak Lemak. Masarap. Then you can taste a little of yung tamarind. And then yung coconut flavor niya malakas. We'll try it with the chicken we fried. Okay na. That's the sauce. Good. This is my favorite. Coriander, chili, turmeric, chili powder, fennel, star anise. Ito, tama. May tamarind doon. Tamarind puree. Cardamom. Sarap. Good. So this one, I bought this at Muji, that Japanese retail store. And I think this one, you can take it with you pambaham sa office and then dip it in hot water. Kung wala kang gusto i-add na chicken, may chicken siya dito. You know, may chicken pieces na siya. Let's try chicken pieces here. Good. For some reason, the chicken here is softer than the chicken of the buttered chicken curry. But basically, they're all good, but this is my favorite. You can bring this, order rice. Tapos yun ito na yung ulam mo. Good. So thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma At Home. Please like, share, subscribe, press the notification bell. We'll be doing more of this. I'll be going to different stores. This is not a paid ad, okay? This is by myself. I went there to shoot some videos, and it's good. We're trying it. Para lang aware tayo sa mga food na meron sa mga ibang stores, okay? I'll see you soon. Next time right here in Goma At Home. Bye! Let's eat more of this. Sarap to. Nice. With rice. And the sauce. Wow, champion. Champion to. 8 out of 10 para sa akin to. Chicken Masak Lemak. Good. Very good.